Hello and good evening, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This evening we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1967 Oldsmobile 442. What a gorgeous automobile this is. Butternut yellow with a black vinyl top. It's got the correct Oldsmobile chrome rally wheels on it. BF Goodrich Radio TA raised white letters on it. This car has been frame off restored and it is absolutely gorgeous. Underneath the hood, it has a 400 engine, but is 60 over. It is 438 cubic inches. So the guy did a really fine job building the engine. There's receipts in this car over $10,000 for just the engine alone. You can see the paint, the body, the gaps, the panel fitment is excellent on this car. It's absolutely stunning. From the moment I seen this car, I said, that car's got to come home with me. And it did. So I'm telling you, someone else is going to say the same thing because it is quality, quality, quality. I know I've been walking around the car twice here with you, but I just wanted you to be able to see all the body lines, all the panel fitment. The fit and finish on this car, like I say, is absolutely gorgeous. 67 was the only year for the louvered hood on these cars. Very, very nice underneath the hood. Engine's painted the correct color. The AC works. Like I say, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front. When he restored the car, he said he had the engine rebuilt, the transmission gone through, everything on it. It was nut and bolt. Everything was done on the car. Beautiful black vinyl top. And the vinyl top is in excellent shape. Interior in the car, beautiful. It's a bench seat, column shift car. Yeah, I know, it probably would have been cooler if it would have had buckets and a console, but it doesn't. It has bench and a column shift. Door panels are in great shape. Door jambs. The headliner, sail panels, package tray, rear seat. Those manila envelopes are full, just jam-packed full of receipts for this car. There's 2 of them. I didn't even go through all of them, so. I'm already on this side, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start it up now. I know I usually wait till later in the video, but let's get it over with. I'm tired, I wanna go home sometime today. If I can get the key to turn. Look at that, the clock even works. I thought for sure it was the round key. Look at there, I'll tell you how good the car is, and then I can't even get the damn key to turn in the ignition. Oh, you know why? I can tell you why. I think I got the wrong key. There you go. Here. Now I bet it works. I have the keys. I just videoed a 57 Chevy. And you know, on a 57, you can take the keys out with it running. So I took the keys out to show inside the trunk, and I put them in my pocket. So I had 2 sets of keys in my pocket. Horn works. Dash lights work. Wipers work. Air works. Trying to get the radio to see if it works. does work. You can't hardly hear it. I don't know if any stations are coming in here. There's a little cigarette lighter plug in here with a little USB adapter. Some distributor parts, touch-up paint. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator. I already showed you the horn works. Blower motor works, the AC's on, AC's cool. And the underneath this car is absolutely gorgeous. I will get it out tomorrow and take some pictures of the undercarriage and post them on my website as well. I've been pretty busy lately, so I just staying here a little bit late to get some videos done. My sales guy always tells me, he said, Adam, I can sell a car without a description. I just need a video. I tell everything in the videos, but I'm gonna have to fire my detail guy. See, I got a couple pieces of dirt here on the carpet. That's me right now. But yeah, I mean, I try to get a video on every car and try to describe these cars to you folks as best as possible. You can guarantee one thing: you're getting a very, very quality car with this one. Man, what a gorgeous automobile. Let's take her for a little spin down the road. I don't need the air on right now. There we go. We just got this car home yesterday, so I've only driven it around the parking lot here. My guys drove it this morning and said it's gorgeous. Runs and drives great, they said, so I'll take, well, I was taking their word for it, and now I'll decide for myself. Disagree with them. It runs and drives just like it looks on the top, bottom, and under the hood and interior. Great. This gorgeous car. You know, and I'm not saying the 66 and 7s are the most popular year of 442s, but you know, when you like them, you like them, and it's hard to find a nice one. Speedometer's right on, gas gauge works. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, pickup trucks, sometimes even regular cars every day. So give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous 1967 Oldsmobile 442. I'll get out and walk around it here with you. You're gonna get some shadows because obviously the sun's going down, so. in my day, I can tell you that. This car is a pleasure to drive. We'll jump back in her here and head back to town. And this 438 cubic inch engine under the hood, she runs good. She's got a lot of power. Well, let's put it this way, more power than most of them had. There we are, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Give us a call. I appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe today. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you all have a great evening, and we'll talk to you soon.